friends, welcome to Ap4 Menu. Today we are going to prepare vitamin A rich, healthy and delicious carrot milkshake. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk, 2 cups grated carrot, and allow the carrot to cook along with the milk. Keep stirring in between to avoid burning. Let the carrot cook completely in the milk. See, the carrot is nice soft and cooked completely. Turn off the stove and allow it to cool down. Strain the carrot from the milk and add it to a mixer jar. Add in 1/4 cup soaked cashew nuts, 1/4 cup soaked almonds and grind it to a smooth paste. Add the ground carrot and nut paste to the milk and allow it to boil again. Add in 1 cup milk, 2/3 cup sugar, half spoon cardamom powder and give it a nice mix. Let the milk come to a boil. Your healthy and delicious carrot milkshake is ready to be served. You can serve it hot or refrigerate and serve it cold too. Do try this delicious recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.